Hi friends! Today we're making a Chinese New Year must-have dessert, steamed red bean rice cake. It's super easy to make and incredibly delicious. Let's get started. In a large bowl, pour in water and dark sugar. Stir well until the sugar is completely dissolved. Add glutinous rice flour and mix. If the batter is too thick, add in 2 tablespoons of water and continue to mix. We want the batter to have a foaming consistency. The last ingredient we'll use canned red bean paste, which we'll add to the batter. Continue to mix and you'll notice the batter will have a lava-like flow. Pour the batter into a pan and gently tap to let the batter settle. Place it in the steamer. Turn the flame high and steam for 1 hour. When the time's up, use a toothpick and taste the cake. If it comes out clean, the cake is done. Turn off the flame. Let the cake cool in the steamer for 10 minutes. Move it to a table. Remove the parchment paper. Brush the surface with oil. And let it continue to cool for another 10 minutes. And use a cutting board to flip the cake. Remove the parchment paper. Brush the top and sides with oil. Let it cool down for another 10 minutes. Now it's time to cut the cake. Let's oil our knife because the rice cake can be sticky. This way when you cut the cake, it won't stick that much to the knife. You'll find the red bean evenly distribute in the slices. The texture is super bouncy and chewy. Voila! Our super easy and yummy steamed red bean rice cake is ready to enjoy.